Welcome back to week 5 of Destruction Physics, and unlike the last project, I can say that this one has ended on a high. Apart from a few bugs, I've implemented everything I wanted to. So first off, I changed the cut so that it's now, again, cutting from the player perspective. It was causing issues when I wasn't, so that's in there now. And I also added the ability to cut through multiple objects, so as you can see, these are a series of cubes, not just one big game object. And if I go into thing, I can then cut through them all and blow them all out of the way. This works on multiple objects regardless of the shape, so I can cut through the sphere and the cubes. And then I added a little algorithm to shatter glass, so if I get up and close, when I click on the glass, it gets that point, or at least it tries to. That's another bug. And does multiple cuts across the initial game object and all the fragments created, and that's a random amount of cuts between the player-defined amount of cuts. So the max cuts is 10 here, so it's a random amount between 10 and 0, and it picks a random rotation for the cutting plane and cuts it a series of times where you click, or at least it's meant to be where you click. It's a little bit broken right now, but I'm happy with it for now. I can fix these bugs in the interlude between the presentations and hand-in. So for now, I'm happy with it. And thank you for watching this series, again, as always. And take care.
Take care.
Okay, fine. Thank you for watching this series, as always. And I'll catch you cool skater dudes on the flip.